Lisa, good afternoon. An investigative report by the network that exposed the 1MDB scandal in Malaysia alleges that convicted fraudster Patrick Mahoney has resurfaced in Manila and was reportedly consulted by the Maharlika Investment Corporation or MIC. Both MIC and Rep. Romualdez denied these claims, but the source told our network that Mahoney's been coming back and forth here in the Philippines trying to peddle deals, although none has materialized yet. Has the MIC previously consulted foreign advisors? And if so, would the admin be willing to disclose names?
Unang-una po, hindi po natin masasagot kung ano po ang kaugnayan ni Congressman Romualdez. Ang masasagot lamang po natin kung ano po ang sinabi ng MIC. Yan po ay mariing pinabulaanan ng MIC at meron nga po silang official statement at akin lamang pong babanggitin ang parte nito. These reports contain false, baseless, and damaging allegations suggesting that an individual named Patrick Mahoney serves as an advisor, consultant, or affiliate of MIC. MIC categorically denies these claims and clarifies that Mr. Mahoney has not been and has never been engaged by MIC in any capacity, whether formal or otherwise.
Next question, Samuel Madinilla, Business Mail.
Tatanong ko lang po, i-confirm ko lang po if the President has already accepted the resignation of the 3 GSIS Board of Trustees and kung meron na pong na-appoint na replacement sa kanila.
Opo, yung pagre-replace po, abangan na lang po natin kung sino po ang itatalaga ng ating Pangulo sa mga nag-resign po.
Follow up po. Yung tatlong GSIS Board of Trustees na nag-resign raw po ay may allegations against kay GSIS President Whit Veloso. Meron na po kayang reaction dun si Pangulo regarding dun sa allegations nung nag-resign?
Sa ngayon po, malalim pa rin po ang pag-aaral na ginagawa dyan at lahat po ng aligasyon ay hindi po ito tutulugan ng Pangulo at aaralin mabuti kung ito ay may katotohanan po. So makakaasa po kayo na gagawin po ito ng aksyon ng Pangulo.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Because of the rampant corruption in the Philippines, will the President consider reviewing the possible return of death penalty?
Sa ngayon, wala pa po nababanggit ang Pangulo, pero siyempre sa pag-aaral po, kung ito po ay ipapataw muli at mawawala ang suspension or lifting ng pag-suspend sa death penalty, pag-impose ng death penalty, dapat pong aralin to dahil hindi lamang po ito bigla-biglang sinasabi na dapat nandiyan na ang death penalty. Inaaral mabuti dahil po dapat malinis, mabuti, maging maayos. Itong tinatawag nating 5 pillars of criminal or justice system rather. Death penalty ang maaaring ipataw. Kawawa naman po yung masasabi nating inosente. So ang muling pagpapataw ng death penalty ay dapat inaaral ng malaliman.